Okay, go.
Okay.
Oh, right.
Hi, everyone. Hi, grade 11.
Hi.
I'm Natalie.
Jasmine.
And I'm Kyle.
And we are the graduates of 2010.
We took Chinese for IB, Mandarin, standard B.
Yep.
For the past 2 years, and we really enjoyed it.
Yeah. And so we're just here to talk to you about why.
Yeah.
Kyle?
Well, I love Chinese because it's such an exotic language for me, as both my parents are foreigners. So I just really enjoyed learning Chinese and, getting to, the whole thing. And I've been studying it for a while, but IB Chinese was a real wake-up call. It's a big workload, and you really, if you want to succeed in IB Chinese, you really just can't magically pull it out of the bag. Like, you really have to work at it. Just do all the spelling tests and all that kind of stuff, because
It
really,
works out in the end.
because really
Yeah,
learning a
definitely
language
helps.
is just, practice and the most things you know.
Yeah.
But I mean, don't forget, to have fun as well, because we did some cool, Tai Chi, Kung Fu stuff, and
Games,
and
watching
games
movies.
and stuff. So I really like putting on the silk pajamas and just feeling the smooth silk, with my skin, and the grace,
exactly what
the
they wanna
grace
hear
of a
about.
fan in my hand, and just being one with.
See, Chinese is fun. I think that's what Kyle's trying to
Being
tell you.
one
It's a
with
hard
Chinese.
language, but I mean,
You won't think that it's fun while you're doing it.
Yeah.
But I look back at it now, and it was definitely, there's
It's a
nothing-
lot of fun.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay, so should I go next? Should I go next?
Yes, go.
Okay, so
little bubbles.
okay, so I did Chinese because yeah, me too. My parents are foreigners. It's quite a random mix because I speak Italian and French, so I couldn't take French at school, and Spanish is just kind of similar to Italian. I feel like I can learn that in my own time. So I took Chinese because I think in the future it's definitely going to be the most useful language out of the ones offered at school. I really enjoyed it. I had my tough times because going from Chinese and GCSE to IB is really a huge step, like Kyle said. It's not, it's just kind of hard to transition at first, so I got a bit lazy with it. But then my last year really helped me out, and I just pushed and motivated myself, and I think that I did okay in the end. I'm quite happy with myself with it. Yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of fun once you get the hang of it, I think. In the end, it's kind of hard to get used to, but once you do get used to it, it's really a fun language, and it's extremely useful to have. I think it's definitely the best language that will help you in your future.
Yeah.
In terms of wherever you go to work.
Yeah.
So no.
Also, if you have people in your class, obviously your peers are going to be so helpful. Us three, we were so lucky. We had such a cool class. We all worked together and role plays and stuff, and for essays we helped each other and stuff. So that was really, it made it so much easier. All the support, and also you had you got to share all the knowledge and all the stuff. It was good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. In IB, you definitely feel there's a difference from when you started till when you ended. I don't know how to in GCSE
Yeah.
you kind of plateau, I find.
You definitely you realize how much you
in-
learn. Definitely.
I came into IB and I just couldn't write a Chinese essay. It was dreadful. But by the end of the year, it was pretty much my favorite thing to do. I worked at it really, really hard and read lots. You have to read, guys.
read.
Seriously.
On the weekend, we were like, Nat, can you come out? And she was like, no, dude, I just want to write essays all weekend.
Shut up.
Well, we all have
that.
We have tutors and stuff.
Yeah.
We even did group tuitions. For our final orals and stuff, we worked together on that. So it teaches you to work together. It's another thing about Chinese.
Yeah. And also, like I said, the people in your class really help. If you see each other out of class, try and speak Chinese. It actually helps. We do as much.
Fun.
We do as much as we can.
We try,
Yeah.
We do try.
Use your time outside of class, because especially for standard students, twice a week really isn't enough time to learn Chinese. So
Definitely.
if you're struggling, or if you just feel like you want to progress in the language
Just
more,
talk to each other.
talk to each
if
other,
anything.
get a tutor, or just go down to Crystal J and eat some jiaozi.
Yeah, why not?
I love jiaozi.
Just
Why?
try
Awesome.
to incorporate as much Chinese into your life
Even
as you can.
the
into your
cab
casual
drivers
life.
love when you speak Chinese.
Yeah, speak Chinese to them. It helps.
Yeah.
What else? Oh yeah. So now we enjoyed Chinese so much that we are going to Shanghai for a couple of months. Kyle and I are staying for 6 months and
I'm
studying.
going for 3.
Yeah, she's going for 3. She's working. We're going for 6, and we're studying a really intense course from 8:30 to 4:30 p.m. every day
Oh, so intense.
at university. So, I mean, imagine how much we enjoyed ourselves in IB with Chinese and how much we're going to enjoy ourselves now. So,
Yeah.
that's basically it.
Yeah.
But anyway, good luck.
Yeah.
Grade
Yeah.
11s.
Don't
and-
give up. It's a hard topic, but you won't regret it.
You definitely won't.
No.
All right.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Good luck.
Bye.
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 Quick,
Hey.
stop it. Stop. Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. Oh.
Bye.